when Dr. Akib asked me to join Ideal Smile, he actually asked me to do it 1 month before the clinic was officially to launch. And he said I need to undergo some training. और मेरे ज़हन में यही था कि वो अमेरिका से आए हैं, so he has like no faith in dentists over here, so it's okay. But for me, 1 month was a lot of time. I was like, मैं क्या करूँगी? I thought I was going to undergo the usual drill that every fresh graduate undergoes, where I would be asked to hold suction for like 4-5 महीने and assist कराना, like cement mix करके देना या composite cure कर देना. And after like 4 or 5 months, and when I've proven myself worthy of being a good assistant, I will probably be given my first patient. और यही होती है यूजुअल ड्रिल एट लाइक जो हायर एंड क्लिनिक्स हैं हमारी सिटी में फॉर अ फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट. बट माय फर्स्ट मीटिंग ऑन माय फर्स्ट वर्किंग डे वाज एक्चुअली अ बिट ऑफ अ सरप्राइज. I was sitting with Dr. Akib and he just started talking about these things and I was caught really off guard. He was like, Huda, how do you rate your integrity? What is your purpose in life? What are your goals in life? Things that you want to start doing or stop doing. I'm saying, kya baat kar rahe ho mere se? Because there was no wrong answer to these questions, because obviously these questions were like subjective and they were personal, but I was so bewildered and confused. I was very undecisive, and I figured that every single day the answer to these questions would change. And after a few days or a few weeks, I realized that it doesn't matter who I am as a professional. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर मैं dentist हूँ या if I'm like a chef or a fashion designer, unless and until I realize what my full potential is, I will never be able to fully exploit my opportunities. I mean, I can never expect myself to be at 100% with my career if I'm not at 100% with myself. And I cannot thank Ideal Smile enough for giving me that opportunity to getting to know me and myself as a person, as an individual, and how to define myself. I realized over a period of time कि इतना अपने आप को contain कर लिया हुआ था, and that is what normally people do with just by the negative thoughts and filters that we have for ourselves. मतलब very common example being कि that dentist makes a lot of money because he's from like America या उन्होंने England से post graduation की, there is no way I can do it. Yeah, that guy in my class got higher scores या position आती थी क्योंकि उसका IQ मेरे से ज़्यादा था. But now I started realizing that I was setting up myself for failure by thinking these things. मतलब मुझे कभी लगा ही नहीं था कि मैं एक उस point पे जा सकती हूँ. So if it was not up here, there was no way I could have done it practically. And from that moment onwards, it has just been a constant road of learning and of growing as an individual every single day. I cannot thank Ideal Smile enough. Like, it has been really a God-sent opportunity for me. खैर मुझे इस बात पे एहसास हुआ that the biggest enemy, that the biggest hindrance and the biggest obstacle standing in my route, standing in my pathway to my ultimate success is me and myself and my limited thinking. And obviously my limited thinking translates into very limited actions. Now that I've realized that and I've overcome that thing, I feel so much more excited, I feel free, and I feel liberated. I feel I can imagine myself doing things that I never thought I would, and I'm doing so many new things. मतलब अगर मैंने किसी और clinic join कर ली थी, they would have taught me how to do a good crown prep, they would have taught me how to do like a good filling. लेकिन शायद कोई leader ना होता उनमें से, और अगर कोई leader ना होता, nobody really would have taught me how to be a good leader myself. Nobody would have really taught me how to really push boundaries, and nobody really would have taught me how to take new challenges heads on. I mean, now if there's a challenge, I'm not going to shy away from it. I'm just going to say, if other people can do it, so can I. I Will Smile was indeed a godsend opportunity for me, and I really wish that every fresh graduate in this country gets the same opportunity too. I'm doing so many more things than I ever thought I would. I've like educated so many patients on the oral systemic connection. I'm actually writing a book now with Dr. Akil that focuses on the practice management of dentistry, and moreover, there's actually thankful good news that we're also deciding a course outline for people who are not part of Ideal Smile, for them to get acquainted with the things that how they're done here. Because for me, I'm going to say it has been truly phenomenal. It has been a very thought-provoking and very intensely educational and motivational journey for me. And I think it is a very massive opportunity for fresh graduates. This course is going to be a very massive opportunity for the fresh graduates, because they are going to learn so many things that they never did in a dental clinic. And that they're going like how to open a practice, how to run a practice, how to be a part of the team, and how to lead your team. And at the end of the day, I would just like to say that everyone should be one of their own. Everyone should be a leader. And there's just one question that you should ask yourself, like, do you want to be the one, or do you want to be just like one?